G'day tribe, this is part 7, the final part of Diesel making stainless steel motorbikes. Let's roll, Diesel, when you're ready, my brother. How are you, Diesel, anyway?
Oh, I'm good, Spud. Yourself? Hello, tribe. There you go.
Yeah, we're great, mate.
We're going to finish it up. We're going to put the back bumper bar on. Oh, mud guard. Mud guard. We better get that right.
Yeah.
It's a mud guard.
Don't worry, you won't get a flash through the phone.
I've just got to get it sitting right, which is about there. Just make sure he's straight. Nice and level. In the right spot. Got a nice gap. There. Nice little spot weld down in there. Right.
Looking good, mate.
Now we're going to put on the petrol tank.
Custom made tank.
Custom made tank. It's got a little tack weld. Spray.
Spray. Sorry, that was my fault. I'm the spray man.
I'm glad you're taking full responsibility. Ow.
Hottie in the shoe.
Ow. Another hottie in the shoe. So we just look to see whether the tank is in the right spot to where I want it. You know, I'm quite happy with that. The tricky part is put a bit of stainless underneath where you weld, which becomes your earth. The beautiful thing about stainless is you can just place it on the earth. To give the top part of the tank a spot weld. And you have the weld placed in on the tank. Just tack this other side while we're going.
Gonna spray it, or you're right?
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Good reminder. Right, now we got the tank on, and it's all looking pretty. You know, we'll put the seat on. And the seat's just
Custom made, hand beaten seat.
all hand beaten.
Very
Shaped
nice.
just to give it another effect of leather. And just give it a little tack so you can hold him into place. One more tack. and that seat won't move. Now, last thing, we're going to put on the fuel cap. And we usually just weld that on. Eyes. Give it a dunk in the water. It gives you a fuel cap. My wife's favourite part of my Harleys that she likes is the sissy bar.
Spray.
Right. Just little adjustment. And we're welding spray, just in case I get it. And the sissy bar. Now I think we come to Spud, and my favourite bit, probably the last bit of the bike, is it needs a set of exhaust pipes, something that'll, you know, make it stand out,
Make it pop.
make it pop. So I've got these little things here, I'll show you in a moment, and we'll see whether you like them or not. And we're going to weld them onto there, like that. And I reckon that's a fitting exhaust pipe for a bike.
Cool.
To do that, I've got to layer over. I know, so. We'll do one at a time. Bit of spray. Eyes. And then we put the other one on. Give him a spray. That's perfect. And give him a dunk. And there you have the exhaust welded on.
Very cool.
is the finished product, apart from pickling it and bringing it back to its silver and stainless glory.
Very cool. I'll pause it there, mate.
Yes, pause it there.
Righto, mate.
Okay, we finished making the motorbike, and it's all got all the welds and all that all discoloured and everything. As you can see, I've got my trusty gloves on because this is a pickling paste. It's like a white gel type thing, and we're gonna.
Yeah, I can move.
Yeah, I might. As you were, and we're just going to wipe this paste all over the motorbike. We'll virtually just paint it in every nook and cranny of the bike. I might put my glasses down just in case. Be safe. And we just paint it all over the bike, just everywhere. Everywhere you've done a weld.
Yeah, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area when you're using pickling paste.
Yeah,
Crikey. That's going right up my nose and we're outside.
Yeah. Yeah, it can get to you.
Well, it is an acid, isn't it, Deeds?
It is an acid, yes.
Yeah. And if you don't do this with gloves on, your hands go yellow.
I know that because I've done it without gloves on. It makes your fingernails go yellow and they stay yellow. A little bit on me and it doesn't matter. Just make sure you get a good amount on. You don't have to work it as much as I do, but I like to get into every nook and cranny with it. We'll probably pause for about... Alright, now we pickled it. We've got to go and wash this pickling off. Get a hose. And just blast it off, and that's it's all cleaned up. Probably a little bit more pickling to do later just to clean it up even more, but this is just to find a few imperfections and then fix up and yeah, finish later.
Very cool, brother. Very cool.
And these are finished products of the ones I had to make for my dad, friends that he has down in Tasmania. I hope he likes them.
Thanks for hanging around, tribe. Thank you, brother Diesel.
Thanks for wanting to have a look. Cheers, have a nice day.
The tribe is strong. Wishing you all a peaceful, beautiful day. Go douche.